Hi everyone, my name is Yakashya Karanya. Today we are going to see the sixth experiment, which is implementation of hierarchical clustering. In that, first we are going to import the libraries. First we are importing pandas, which is used for handling our data sets. Then NumPy for numerical operations, Matplotlib for plotting graphs. Then we are importing the standard scalar to normalize the data. Then we are going to import the agglomerative clustering, which is an hierarchical clustering method. Then we are going to import the skewed score, Davis bounded score, then mutual info score uh, for the for the matrix process. Okay, then we are going to load the data set using the read underscore CSV. Then we are going to print the first 5 rows of the data set. Next question, we are going to standardize the data. Here, yeah, first we are going to create a scalar object. Then we are going to standardize the data. Here we are asking that we are assuming that we are just assuming that mean is equal to 0, then standard deviation is equal to 1 by the fit underscore transform format. Then we are going to convert the scale data back into data frame with the same column names. Then we are going to display the first 5 rows of the scale data. In the next question, we are going to apply the linkage and plot the dendrogram. Okay, here we have to perform the hierarchical clustering method. Okay, here in the first we are in the method we are using the single, which is process the minimum distance between the clusters. Then matrix we are taking as Euclidean, which will calculates using the distance formula. Okay, then we are going to print print plot the graph. So we are using creating a figure with size of 10 into 6. Then we are going to plot the dendrogram. As usual, we are going to give an unique title. Then we are giving a X label value, a name, and the label name. As at the last, we are going to display the graph. The fourth question, we are going to create the clustering models. Here, first we are going to create a model with 3 clusters using word linkage. Then we are next we are going to um, um, creating the model using 4 clusters. Okay. Then we are printing the both. At the fifth question, we are going to fit the models and predict the cluster labels. Okay. In this, first we have to fit the models and assign the cluster labels for 3 clusters. Then we have to do the same process for 4 clusters also. Uh, then we are going to print the both values. Okay. In the next question, okay. In the next question, we are going to do the cluster visualization. Okay. In this, we have to first computes the label. Then we have because we need to avoid the errors. Then we are creating a 2 plots side by side. One is 3 clusters and the another is 4 cluster. Okay. Which we are assuming at plot 1 and plot 2. Then we are going to display the output. So we are using the show of command. Okay. In the next question, we are going to evaluate the clustering performance. Okay. In this, first we are using uh, three. Uh, we are using 3 libraries, which is Sil Howlett score, then Davis Lowndes index, which we are using in this questions. Okay, so based on that, we are doing the process for 3 clusters and the 4 clusters. And here are the outputs for both the clusters. Okay, in the next question, we have to select the best model based on the imported library. Okay, here we are using the if statement. Okay. Here we are using the if statement. In the if statement, if the best cluster is equal to label 3, then we have to print the best cluster, best model equals 3 clusters. Otherwise, we have to um, print as best model is 4 cluster. Okay. Here the output is shown as a best model is 3 clusters. Then at the last, we are going to visualize the data in Tableau. In that process, after doing that process, um, uh, here we have to save the data set with clusters into the CSV file. Then we are confirming that confirming that that is expected or not. When it is exported, it will print as a file exported from the Tableau visualization. Thank you.